Welcome to another video. Yet again, you can see on my last video, just 3 days ago, I called out ticker GV at $1.38. The next day, this one went all the way to a high of $3.30, a massive, 130% gainer. Called in this channel a day before the run. If you are enjoying this content, drop a quick like for me on this video. It does really help me out. I'm not trying to sell you any type of course or any program. This is completely free, and a lot of research does go into trying to find the hottest penny stocks in the entire market. So let's just get right into it. So Bitcoin is continuing to reach all-time highs, currently trading around $84,000. As this theme is very hot, the overall market is insanely hot right now. I have two different Bitcoin stocks, these penny stocks that could absolutely explode. So I have a tiny $5 million valuation company, only 2 million shares at float, meaning when volume comes in, this one could easily have a big time squeeze. It is the smallest float and the smallest valuation Bitcoin stock in the entire market. I also have a tiny $100 million valuation profitable Bitcoin play. They did just under $700 million in revenue for 2023. Like I said, they are profitable, and the company has the largest market share in North America. They do have over 8,100 kiosk and Bitcoin ATM locations just throughout the United States. And something else to realize, they have over 1,100 kiosk and Bitcoin ATMs deployed at Circle K's across the United States and Canada. I've actually seen a lot of these at various gas stations. A very well-known company, in Circle K alone has over 9,000 stores in North America, with over just around 5,000 stores in Europe and other international markets, meaning there's massive room for expansion at their other locations, basically because they've only deployed 1,000 of their ATMs, and there's 9,000 or 8,000 plus, actually really 15,000 stores left that they can add and expand to, and that is just one customer. First Bitcoin play we want to talk about is ticker BTCT, the smallest market cap, the smallest float Bitcoin mining play on the market. So this company actually does various things with Bitcoin. They engage in the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin mining business, as well as engaging in its mining machine resell and rental business. So they actually resell Bitcoin mining machines as well as rent these out. So this is actually very big, as Donald Trump is trying to dominate the entire Bitcoin mining industry.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done.
Are valued at around $5 million as a company. 2.6 million outstanding shares, a very small float, under 2 million shares. Looking at the daily chart, we do have some strong resistance right at this $2.07 level. So it's a very big wall. If we do close over this, we could see a very massive run. Really, I'm expecting this one to jump up, guys, because we do have these mining plays. Mara, CLSK up 20%. 20% plus, and this one is lagging behind. We do have a lot of retail traders, a lot of people looking for the next Bitcoin play, especially one with a very small float. So this one isn't up that much, and I think this one could easily have a big time run as long as Bitcoin doesn't tank. But it looks like Bitcoin is continuing to go up, actually hitting, sitting at $85,000 right now. BTC Digital Ltd, I'm loaded up on this one myself, currently is trading at $2.03 as of right now, up 11%. And I do see, I do think this one should have a very nice run. With everything heating up, this one is really lagging behind. So I'm going to talk about the next Bitcoin play, because there's not too much research to talk about with BTCT, other than it is a very small float play that can move very aggressively when more volume and more eyes do get on this play. Next play we're going to talk about is Bitcoin Depot Inc., ticker BTM, trading at $2.15, and we're going to talk about their valuation, get right into their financials, because they do have financials coming out tomorrow, or actually in 2 days. So that'd be on Wednesday, on November 13th. So with this one, just know they do have financials that are coming out soon. So that's a very big catalyst depending on how that goes. They're sitting at a $130 million valuation. For the second quarter of 2024, had record historic performance. Keep in mind, you always add 3 zeros to these numbers, but they did $163 million in revenue for the most recent quarter, and had $4.3 million or just over that in net income. Now, the previous quarter, They did lose $4.2 million in net income, and that turned around and they profited $4 million just 1 quarter later. You can see had very aggressive revenue number growth from the last quarter, quarter over quarter, as well as this jump from $138 million all the way to $163 million. So very aggressive improvement. So all this is happening as Bitcoin continues to reach all-time highs, as well as the interest among people, to actually purchase Bitcoin is reaching all-time highs as well following the Trump victory.
If Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, is going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way, and that's what's going to happen.
Looking on their website, they have over 16,389 Bitcoin depot locations. For the year of 2023, 1 year ago, they did $689 million in total revenue, and they were profitable, doing $1.5 million in net income, and margins were sitting at record highs just last quarter. What is Bitcoin Depot? It's an easy way to convert cash into Bitcoin, a federally licensed money services business, a state licensed money transmitter. As of June, they had $2.6 billion in total transaction volume, with 3.6 million total transactions completed, 22,000 monthly active users, and have 8,100 installed kiosks in North America. Looking at Bitcoin Depot versus online crypto exchanges, their competitors, you can see the account setup time for Bitcoin Depot is less than 1 minute, and for other online exchanges or for crypto exchange platform, this can take 3+ days. So the time to receive the first crypto purchase is within an hour, and this takes 3+ days on crypto exchanges. And a very big advantage they have as well is Bitcoin Depots, their ATMs and their kiosks are accessible without a bank account. They do accept cash, and they do have customer support through phone and text, and all three of these are not offered on crypto online exchanges. So right here, they do have 8,000 kiosks deployed, and the second, the one that comes in second place is CoinFlip, and they only have 4,918 total ATMs in North America. And then it just goes down. So they're the leading company in the United States as far as it goes for Bitcoin ATMs. And looking in Canada, they are in third place. It says right here they have a pending license application in New York State, which represents a large market opportunity, less than 300 BTM statewide as of January 1st, 2023. So they could completely dominate the New York market if this does go through. So that's another big catalyst right there. And they believe the state's population could potentially support, just the state of New York could potentially support 2,500 to 3,000 Bitcoin machines over time. So that's a very big increase. Like I said, guys, this is happening as the demand for Bitcoin is skyrocketing, currently at all-time highs. And as Bitcoin is going to be completely adopted into fast food chains and restaurants, retail outlets, everything like that, especially with Trump winning, like I said. So that's very big to realize. And you can see they are partnered with the largest privately owned U.S. gas station chain, Circle K. You can actually go see these. So I already said in the intro, this partnership alone has massive opportunity to double the amount of their Bitcoin ATMs and their Bitcoin machines just from this one retailer alone. So they already dominate the entire market in this category for the entire United States of America. And it says right here, they do have agreements with retailers that have over 18,000 locations. So just any of these big retailers that adopt their technology can have massive revenue capabilities. They signed an agreement with an industry-leading global payments technology company, allowing customers to purchase crypto at over 7,400 retail locations across 30 different states. These penny stocks do have tremendous potential in this theme. This theme is very hot. The overall market is extremely hot right now. Guys, we're going to have a really strong year and go into 2025 full force, as these next 4 years can create generational wealth. Guys, if you did make it this far in this video, really do appreciate you. Make sure you have notifications turned on so you don't miss these very time sensitive and exclusive plays. And that's all I have for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about these plays, any other plays you're watching, and I will see you on the next video.